Local biohazard mitigation company responded and cleaned the needles and waste from the scene there.
And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker meteorologist, Skylar Spindler.
We're looking at those average temperatures for this time of year. It's about 78 degrees, and we are quite warmer than that, with the record being set in 1983 for 95. We're going to get close, but not quite, so we won't be breaking any records today. The pattern, we're just stuck in this pattern, this high-pressure system just hanging out here. It's a very slow-moving pattern, so we've got that jet stream moving along, but we're not going to get any relief from this until we get this pressure, this low-pressure system that's behind